Also, I want to say thank you for subscribing to my channel, all of my fans. I'm basically, by the time I release this, I'll be at 200. So I'm getting ready to celebrate my 200 subscribers. And like I say, keep sharing, keep adding, keep getting your friends involved, keep telling your friends about my channel. Hopefully something on there is something you're interested in, and you will, you know, like, I don't know. If whatever you're into, whatever you're interested in, drop it down low in the comments and we'll talk about that. Whatever topic it is, we'll try to talk about it. I'm diverse, you know. Ultimately, my channel is about advertising, promotion, and you know, just keeping it real, whatever it is. So if you're interested in reaching out, maybe even recording with me, let me know, and then we'll just go from there. And like I say, thank you for the big 200 subscribers. That is, hey, on the way, chasing down that first 1,000. You know, I was watching something the other day where it took some people, or has taken people years to reach their first 1,000 to get monetized or whatever. So and then some people they put it on a video, you know, and it's just that one video, it's all it took, and they were, you know, instantly had subscribers or whatever. So whatever it takes, you know, let me know. Send out some requests to your friends. I'm sharing with you, you sharing with me, and hopefully this is the year I'm trying to get to my 1,000. You know, that's the goal, that's the plan. Hopefully if I keep recording and keep putting out, you know, keep talking to y'all about life and everything else, you'll vibe with me, you know, and that's all I can ask for. Thank you. 200. Hello YouTube world, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I drop hot content like this, and stay tuned for the next video.